Welcome back to Cupcakes TV. Today, we're diving into a recipe that's soft, cheesy, and bursting with flavor. Cheesy corn cupcakes, also known as Puto. This Filipino classic is easy to make, irresistibly delicious, and perfect for any occasion. Trust me, you'll want to make this again and again. Let's get started. Let's start by preparing 1.5 cups of flour. To ensure our cupcakes turn out smooth and fluffy, we'll strain the flour through a sieve to remove any lumps. This simple step makes a huge difference in creating that perfect light texture. Now let's bring in the magic. Add 2 tablespoons of baking powder to the sifted flour. That's what gives our cupcakes their beautiful rise. Next, crack in 2 fresh eggs for richness. Follow that with 1/2 cup of melted butter to keep everything moist and delicious. 1/2 cup of sugar for the perfect touch of sweetness, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to tie all the flavors together. Each ingredient here plays a vital role, so don't skip any. It's already smelling amazing. It's time to make our batter creamy and smooth. Slowly pour in 1 cup of evaporated milk. This adds a rich, velvety texture to the mix. As you pour, grab your whisk and start mixing everything together. Keep whisking until you see a silky smooth batter with no lumps in sight. Take your time here. This step ensures that your cupcakes come out soft, fluffy, and absolutely irresistible. The smoother the batter, the better the results. Now for the star ingredient, 1 can of creamed corn. Pour it straight into the batter and watch as it transforms into something truly special. The creamy sweetness of the corn, combined with those delicious little kernels, adds a unique flavor and texture to our cupcakes. Grab your whisk again and mix gently but thoroughly. You want every bit of corn to be evenly distributed throughout the batter. This step is what makes our cheesy corn cupcakes stand out. They're sweet, savory, and bursting with flavor in every bite. Now, carefully pour the batter into your Puto molders, filling each one about 3/4 full. This gives the cupcakes room to rise and become perfectly fluffy. Simple and fun, right? Here's where the magic happens. Take a slice of cheese and place it gently on top of each filled molder. This cheesy topping will melt beautifully as the cupcakes steam, creating that gooey, irresistible finish that everyone loves. It's the ultimate cheesy touch. Carefully place the Puto molders into your steamer, making sure there's enough space between them for even cooking. They're ready to be steamed to fluffy perfection. Boil some water in a pot, then place the steamer on top. Cover the lid with a towel to prevent moisture from dripping onto the cupcakes. Steam for 6 to 10 minutes on medium heat. To check if they're done, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean and smooth, your cheesy corn cupcakes are perfectly cooked and ready to enjoy. And there you have it, our cheesy corn cupcakes, soft, fluffy, and golden with that irresistible cheesy top. Perfectly cooked and ready to be devoured. Amazing, right? Thank you so much for watching Cupcakes TV. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more delicious recipes. Stay tuned for more amazing dishes. And until next time, happy cooking. Cheers.